So here's a quick way to create a copy of a component and apply the same mates. In this assembly, I have assembled a screw using a concentric and a coincident mate. I need to repeat this for the next 3 instances. Start the Copy with Mates tool and click on the screw. At this point, you will see that the cursor turns into a prompt for you to right-click to advance into the next step. So right-click to go into the mating step. The first mate is the concentric mate. With this view active, click on the new entity to mate. In this case, it will be the cylindrical face of the counter ball. The next mate is the coincident mate between the undersurface of the screw and the flat surface on the counter ball. Since all 4 screws will be seated on the same plane, we can check on the repeat checkbox, and the mate from the first instance will be automatically repeated. Once we click OK to complete, you can see that the concentric view is activated again, and the checkbox to repeat the coincident mate remains checked. At this point, click on the cylindrical face of the next counter ball and the cursor changes to a prompt for you to right-click to confirm. With just a few clicks, you can quickly create copies of components with the appropriate mates.